Are you looking? In recent years, the demand for electronic toilet seats has skyrocketed as homeowners seek greater hygiene, comfort, and luxury in their bathrooms. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual upgrading your lifestyle or simply looking for a cleaner, hands-free bathroom experience, these smart seats deliver. This guide evaluates top models based on features like heated seats, bidet functionality, build quality. List number: VOVO STYLEMENT TCB090SA Smart Bidet Toilet, a true luxury upgrade. The VOVO STYLEMENT TCB090SA is a one-piece smart bidet toilet that seamlessly integrates cutting-edge features for a premium bathroom experience. The auto-open close lid adds a hands-free touch, while the 1.12 GPF flushing system ensures eco-friendly water usage. It includes a heated seat, warm water bidet, warm air dryer, and stainless steel self-cleaning nozzles. Users love its intuitive remote control and elegant design that fits well in modern bathrooms. Although it's an investment, the high-end performance, comfort, and hygiene make it well worth it for those seeking a true spa-like feel in their home. The elongated shape fits most users comfortably, and the build quality is top tier. For those who want a full toilet replacement with integrated smart bidet functions, this is a best-in-class option. List 2. TUSHY Aura Smart Bidet Seat. The TUSHY Aura Smart Bidet Seat blends minimalist design with luxurious functionality. Designed to easily replace your current toilet seat, it offers instant warm water, a heated seat, adjustable air dryer, and temperature control, all controlled via a side panel. The sleek profile and easy DIY installation make it a favorite among renters and homeowners alike. Users praise the quick warm-up time and the precision of its spray settings. The bidet offers both front and rear washes with self-cleaning nozzles, ensuring hygienic use. With no need for complicated plumbing or electric modifications as long as there's an outlet nearby, it's a straightforward upgrade. Plus, TUSHY's brand is known for eco-consciousness, so you're saving toilet paper while stepping into the future for under $400. It delivers great value and comfort. List number: Epler Electric Bidet Toilet Seat. If you're looking for a reliable electronic bidet seat with core smart features at a budget-friendly price, the Epler Electric Bidet Toilet Seat is a strong contender. Designed for round toilets, it features a heated seat, adjustable water temperature, and a self-cleaning nozzle system. Its compact design fits well in smaller bathrooms without sacrificing comfort. The integrated dryer and deodorizer are nice touches typically found in higher-end models. Setup is beginner-friendly with an intuitive control panel mounted on the side. Users particularly like the quiet operation and how quickly the water heats up. While it may not have premium bells and whistles like auto lid openers or wireless remotes, it offers reliable performance and a modern look for a fraction of the price. Ideal for those wanting to try a smart seat without a major investment. List number: Combir Bidet Toilet Seat with heated water and wireless remote. The Combir Bidet Toilet Seat stands out with its wireless remote control and sleek build. It offers a suite of comfort features including adjustable warm water, warm air drying, heated seating, and a self-cleaning nozzle system. The quiet close lid prevents slamming, adding an element of convenience for families or night use. One of its key advantages is the remote, perfect for seniors or those with mobility limitations. Installation is straightforward and fits most elongated toilet models. It's especially praised for its multifunction nozzle system and quick warm-up. Despite its lower profile and name recognition, Combir competes well with more established brands, offering luxury functionality at a mid-range price. It strikes a strong balance between cost and features, making it a smart choice for most households. List number 5. Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat. Non-electric. For those who want the benefits of a bidet without electricity or wiring hassles, this non-electric elongated bidet toilet seat is the perfect entry-level solution. It features dual self-cleaning nozzles for front and rear cleansing, a slow close lid to prevent slamming, and adjustable water pressure. While it lacks the heated seat, warm water, or dryer found in electric models, it's impressively effective and requires no power source, making it great for off-grid use or eco-conscious buyers. Installation is quick and doesn't require professional help. Many users appreciate the simplicity, durability, and hygienic performance, especially at this price point. It's the best option for those on a tight budget or renters who want to avoid permanent changes to their bathroom setup.